Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to add more languages to your Android phone keyboard. In this video we will learn this guys. So for this guys, first you need to launch your keyboard like this. So I am using Google keyboard in my phone. If you are using different keyboard, so you can also follow this same method on that keyboards also. So after opening the keyboard, here you can get the round circle icon. As you can see, just tap and hold it for few seconds, and here you can get the option language setting. Just tap on it. Okay, and here if you want to add the more languages to your keyboard, so just tap on add keyboard option, and here you can get the lots of languages option. As you can see guys, whatever language you need to add, from here you need to select that language. So for example, I am selecting Hindi India like this. After this guys, just click on done. That's it. Now this language was also added to your keyboard. If you want to change the language of your keyboard, just say tap on that icon. From here guys, you can easily able to add more languages to your Android keyboard. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.